Alright, so you want to start boxing, but you don't know a thing about it, not the stance, not the punches, and not the training. Well, this video is for you. Here, you'll get a step-by-step guide on how to start boxing training at home without any equipment. I'll explain every exercise at a beginner level. Day 1 to 5. Build your base. Turn your body into a fighter. Warm up. Do this every morning before training. Total time, 5 minutes. Jumping jacks, 30 seconds. Stand and move your arms and legs to the side. Then bring them back. This warms up your whole body. High knees, 30 seconds. Stand in one spot and lift your knees up quickly, as if you're running. This is great for stamina. Arm circles, 30 seconds each side. Rotate your arms in a circle, first clockwise, then anti-clockwise. This warms up your shoulders. Neck and shoulder rolls, 30 seconds each. Roll your neck and shoulders to prevent any strain. Stance and footwork basics. Do this daily. Boxing stance. If you're a righty, keep your left foot forward. Keep both feet shoulder width apart. Bend a little, like you're ready for a fight. Keep both hands up, your right hand near your cheek, and your left hand a bit forward. Footwork drill. Lightly bounce in one spot. Your feet should touch the floor, but don't jump. Practice moving forward, backward, and side to side. This builds your control and balance. Day 6 to 10. Punching and core strength. Shadowboxing. 3 rounds. Each round, 2 minutes. Imagine an opponent in front of you. Round 1. Just the jab. A fast punch with your left hand. Round 2. Jab, cross, left punch, then right punch. Round 3. Combine with movement. Punch and take a step. Important. After every punch, bring your hand back to your guard position. This is the most important habit to build. Core training. Do this every day after punching. Crunches, 20 reps. Lie on the floor, bend your knees, and place your hands behind your head. Lift your upper body slightly. You'll feel the tension in your stomach. Leg raises, 20 reps. Lie on the floor, lift both legs straight up. Then bring them back down. Don't let them touch the floor. This strengthens your core. Plank, 2 sets of 20 seconds. Hold your body straight on your elbows. This builds full core control. Day 11 to 15. Defense and head movement. Slip left and right. Stay in your guard position. Shift your head to the left or right, like you're dodging a punch. Don't move your shoulders. Only use your neck and torso. Roll or duck under. Lower your body, as if a punch is coming over you. Imagine your opponent is throwing a hook. Mirror drill. 3 rounds. Practice your punches in front of a mirror. Watch your form. Make sure your hands don't drop. Day 16 to 20. Speed and endurance. Shadowboxing. Intense rounds. 4 rounds. Each round, 3 minutes. Round 1. Only fast jabs. Round 2. Jab, cross, jab. Round 3. Punch and move. Add footwork. Round 4. Mix attack and defense. Jab, slip, cross. HIIT finisher. High knees for 20 seconds. Then rest for 10 seconds. Repeat this 6 times. This will boost your stamina for a real fight. Day 21 to 25. Visual sparring and combos. Visual opponent. Imagine someone is in front of you. You're dodging their punches and hitting back with your own. Combos. Practice these in the air, as fast and smooth as you can. First combo. Jab, cross, slip, cross. Second combo. Jab, slip, jab, roll, hook. Self-record. Record your training. Watch if your stance, speed, and guard are correct. This is the best way to improve. Day 26 to 30. Power and fighter mindset. Power shadowboxing. Punch with full twist. Use the complete torque of your body. Twist your feet when you punch. This builds real knockout power. Wall sit. 1 minute. Sit against a wall like you're sitting on an invisible chair. This strengthens your legs and builds mental patience. Cold splash. 30 seconds. Splash your face with cold water in the morning. This boosts mental alertness and sharpens your fighter mindset. 10 burpees at the end. Doing these when you're tired teaches you to fight, even when you feel exhausted. Now you're walking like a boxer, punching like a real fighter, and thinking like a winner. This plan will turn your body into a boxer. But if you want to fight, you also need the skills. In the next video, I'll break down proper punching technique, combo flow, and the real fight mindset. Until then, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and the next time you throw a punch, the world will watch.